Hello everybody and welcome back to another game where today we're playing some more Dungeon Quest. I don't know if you people like it, but I definitely like it, so that's why I'm playing it. I'm gonna turn the chat off. Okay, there we go. Stay in this camp, record the entire screen. Well, yeah, this is my spell right now. So you know how I used to have the orange fireball? Well, now I have the blue fireball. And I have this legendary sword. And E is like a thing that's swirls the thing around, the sword around. So it's a pretty good combination. I'm gonna fail. So I'll go into a full turn. Ooh, I got a new sword. So I'll check my inventory. What is this? Ghoul Slayer. I need 4 damage, 12 out of 12. So this thing does 323 damage, 118 power. I can check. Okay, never mind. I cannot upgrade it. Upgrade it 17 times. I'm just gonna spam that thing. So now, as long as damage does now. Now it has 23 damage. That's okay, I guess. But this still does 323, so let's hop right into it. Since I've got the new sword and stuff, I can do hard mode on hardcore mode without it being hard. So let's just start it up, I guess. Big fat guy in the pyramid again. I'm almost level 33, and level 33 is the level where you can move on to the next map. But you have to do easy mode on it. See, they're all big dead. Die. You die now. Or this last guy. I'll just show you how much damage this thing does. One shot. I'm gonna swing my sword. Oh, it's lagging. The game was burst train. The lag. E. Okay, he's dead. Brown peasant is dead. And I am lagging like crazy. The silence while I just concentrate. That's how it is with most of my games. I don't talk much. I just do it. Am I going the right way? I think I'm going the wrong way. I'm warming my feet by a heater right now. It feels very nice. I don't think you need to know that, but you get to hear the information. So I have a strategy. I think you want to see it in my last video on Dungeon Quest. I make them all follow me, but instead of using that spray thing I have, now I use this whirlwind thing that like swings your sword around. This is extremely laggy. If they want to do it, I'll just make these guys follow me. Oh, yo, I nearly lost 100 damage from that. Yellow. And then I use that, and then I use my power. And now it's okay. It's not better on Xbox. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed E instead of Q. This is going insane. I want to swing my sword. Die. Got him. I'm so close to leveling up. I really want to level up. Now I'll be able to do the next map. You have to be level 33 to do it on easy mode. Myself just kill. Stabby stick this guy. E. I'm gonna use my E here. Is the whirlwind thing. Die, everybody. Hello. Let me swing my sword at you. Now I will shoot you with my fireball. Yes! I leveled up. Today I was playing Minecraft with my friend, and he really annoyed me, so I ended up burning his house down, and I kept on, well, actually, so, let me tell you the whole timeline. I hit him, for some reason, I can admit that, but then he said, I'm trying to kill you. He said I was trying to kill him, so my other friend to help him. So I was like, why not kill him anyways? So I did, and he got really angry. So we had like a whole battle royale sort of thing. And so me and my other friend, we were playing with 4 players. Me and my other friend, we went to build our own house. But then, I forgot why. Well, anyways, I burnt his house down, and I got really angry. So yeah, I'm really annoyed at my friend, and he's really annoyed at me right now. Okay, I'm gonna do it on the new map I can do. Okay, create a dungeon. This is the new map I can do, but I have to put it on easy mode. I'll put on hardcore, and I'll start it up. Let's go, it's gonna be exciting. I'm reaching the max recording time, like 9 minutes. What am I saying? 6 minutes about. Oh, this is a cool laser beam. Oh, does this ice take notes or something? I'm not really impressed. Never mind. What are they? They're called frost minions. Ooh, jeez, they have a lot of health. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh. Wow. What? What? How does someone do that? Okay. So, what I'm gonna do, I need someone to help me out. I'm gonna create it on easy mode, not hardcore mode. So I'm gonna open the chat and can someone help me in a dungeon? And just wait for the replies. I'll show you the chat here. It's down here. Okay, guess that's now. I'm reaching the end of my time, so I might as well leave it here. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.